The birth of Land Rover is a story forged in necessity, innovation, and a restless drive to explore the unknown. Emerging from the ashes of World War II, Land Rover was never just a vehicle. It was a symbol of resilience, a tool for survival, and a companion for adventure. Its origin traces back to 1948 in post-war Britain, where the fabric of society was being rewoven, and the need for practical, reliable transportation was more pressing than ever. Farmers needed a robust workhorse. Soldiers required a dependable machine. Explorers longed for a sturdy companion to tackle the world's wildest terrains. It was here, in this landscape of renewal and ambition, that Land Rover was born. From the very beginning, Land Rover was envisioned as more than a means of getting from one place to another. It was designed to be the bridge between civilization and the untamed world beyond the horizon. Mud, sand, snow, desert, or mountain. No matter the challenge, Land Rover promised to carry its passengers safely to their destination. Its journey would soon become inseparable from the story of human exploration itself. The first steps of the legend were taken with the introduction of the Series 1. Crafted from surplus materials left over from the war, most notably aluminum, chosen because steel was scarce. The Series 1 was a testament to both ingenuity and resourcefulness. Inspired by the utilitarian Jeep, but engineered to be even more durable, the vehicle featured a simple yet highly functional design. Its clean lines, rugged build, and unmatched off-road capability quickly earned it a place at the heart of rural British life. Farmers relied on its versatility, soldiers admired its reliability, and adventurers found in it a steadfast ally. What truly set the Series Y apart was its adaptability. Whether crossing muddy fields, traversing rocky hillsides, or hauling heavy loads, the Land Rover was equal to the task. Its lightweight aluminum body resisted corrosion. Its four-wheel drive system conquered obstacles with ease. And its straightforward mechanics meant repairs could be made in the field, far from the comforts of civilization. The Series Y was no mere machine. It was a lifeline. In the years that followed, Land Rover would evolve, but the spirit of the original endured, becoming the bedrock upon which all future models would stand. As the 1950s dawned, Land Rover's reputation grew beyond the borders of Britain. The vehicle was no longer just a tool for farmers and soldiers. It was becoming a companion for explorers venturing into the farthest reaches of the globe. Land Rover traveled with researchers to the icy wastes of Antarctica, where its reliability in extreme cold proved invaluable. In Africa, it became the quintessential safari vehicle, carrying naturalists and photographers through the savanna and jungles, bringing the wonders of the wild closer to the rest of the world. In the vast deserts of Australia, it was the trusted vehicle of choice for nomads and settlers alike. Its endurance and versatility key to survival in remote regions. Land Rover even found favor with royalty. The British royal family adopted it for official outings, its sturdy frame and dignified appearance making it a fitting choice for ceremonial duties and countryside excursions. Its presence became synonymous with adventure, resilience, and reliability. And wherever it went, it left an indelible mark. But the legend was only just beginning. In 1983, Land Rover unveiled a model destined to become an icon, the Defender. Though its origins trace back through earlier models, the Defender crystallized everything Land Rover stood for. Its design was uncompromising, boxy, practical, and instantly recognizable. The chassis was built for strength, the mechanical systems for longevity. Defender owners spoke of their vehicles with reverence, sharing stories of epic journeys, narrow escapes, and challenges overcome. The Defender was more than a machine. It was a companion. Adventurers trusted it to carry them across deserts, through jungles, and over mountains. Farmers depended on it for hard work in the fields. Military forces relied on its ruggedness for operations in the harshest environments. Even humanitarian organizations such as the United Nations embraced the Defender for its capacity to reach those in need wherever they might be. Its simplicity was its genius. Easy to repair, hard to break, and always ready for the next adventure. When Defender production ceased in 2016, the world mourned the loss of a legend. Owners and enthusiasts around the globe paid tribute to the vehicle that had carried them through life's greatest journeys. For many, the Defender was more than a car. It was a symbol of freedom, endurance, and the human spirit's relentless pursuit of discovery. Yet Land Rover was never content to rest on its laurels. The brand continued to evolve, adapting to the changing needs and desires of its fans. In 1970, a new chapter began with the introduction of the Range Rover. This model redefined the boundaries between luxury and capability, proving that off-road excellence need not come at the expense of comfort or style. The Range Rover boasted a refined interior, elegant design, and advanced features, all while retaining the ruggedness that Land Rover was known for. Range Rover quickly captured the imagination of a diverse clientele. Aristocrats, celebrities, and city dwellers alike found themselves drawn to its unique blend of sophistication and strength. It became a favorite among Hollywood stars, seen in movies and music videos, and a staple in the driveways of the world's elite. The Range Rover was more than a status symbol. It was a statement that adventure and luxury could exist side by side. As the decades passed, Land Rover continued to innovate, embracing new technologies and design philosophies. Entering the 21st century, the brand focused not only on durability, but also on technological advancement. Features such as electronic differentials, terrain response systems, and adaptive suspensions brought a new level of intelligence to off-road driving. Land Rover vehicles were now equipped to analyze terrain, adjust settings on the fly, and offer a ride that was both comfortable and capable, no matter the conditions. The newest iterations of Defender and Range Rover reflect this commitment to progress. Hybrid and electric models signal a shift towards sustainability, ensuring that the spirit of adventure can endure without sacrificing the planet. Land Rover's vision for the future is one where technology and nature exist in harmony, and exploration remains at the heart of the human experience. Land Rover's cultural impact is as profound as its technical achievements. It is more than just a car. It is a pop culture icon, a symbol of exploration, and a fixture in the collective imagination. From the thrilling chases of James Bond films to the gritty expeditions documented by National Geographic, Land Rover vehicles have appeared in countless stories of adventure and discovery. Safari guides in Africa rely on their Land Rovers to navigate challenging terrain and bring guests face to face with the continent's wonders. In Britain, royal processions often feature Land Rovers, underscoring the brand's deep connection to tradition and national pride. The brand's association with adventure is unshakable. For many, the sight of a Land Rover conjures images of distant lands, bold journeys, and the promise of discovery. Whether splashing through muddy trails, crossing arid deserts, or ascending snowy peaks, these vehicles embody the spirit of exploration. They are as much a part of the journey as the travelers themselves, woven into the fabric of adventure. Yet the influence of Land Rover extends beyond the physical world. It has inspired generations to seek out new experiences, to test their limits, and to embrace the unknown. Owners often speak of their vehicles not as possessions, but as partners, faithful companions in a lifelong quest for adventure. The stories they share are tales of perseverance, ingenuity, and a triumph against the odds. Land Rover's legacy is also one of community. Enthusiasts around the globe gather to celebrate the brand, sharing tips, stories, and a mutual respect for the vehicles that have shaped their lives. Clubs, rallies, and expeditions unite people of all backgrounds, drawn together by a common passion for exploration and the open road. These gatherings are a testament to the enduring power of the Land Rover spirit, a spirit that values resilience, camaraderie, and the thrill of discovery. As the world changes, so too does Land Rover. The challenges of the modern era, environmental concerns, technological advancements, and shifting consumer preferences are met with the same determination and creativity that defined the brand at its birth. Land Rover's commitment to sustainability is evident in its embrace of hybrid and electric power, its ongoing efforts to reduce waste and emissions, and its support for conservation initiatives around the world. Looking to the future, Land Rover remains steadfast in its mission to enable exploration while protecting the planet. Its vehicles are designed not only to withstand the rigors of adventure, but also to minimize their impact on the world's most fragile ecosystems. The journey is ongoing, and the brand's dedication to innovation ensures that the legend will continue for generations to come. At its core, the story of Land Rover is the story of human curiosity, the desire to push beyond the boundaries of the known and venture into the wild. Each new model is a reflection of this spirit, blending the lessons of the past with the possibilities of the future. The journey is never truly finished. There is always another horizon to chase, another challenge to overcome, another story to tell. In every corner of the globe, Land Rover vehicles serve as a reminder of what is possible when engineering meets imagination. They are more than machines. They are symbols of freedom, resilience, and the enduring quest for adventure. Wherever you find yourself, on city streets, country lanes, mountain passes, or desert tracks, the presence of a Land Rover signals that the journey is just beginning. The legend of Land Rover endures because it is more than a brand. It is a way of life, a celebration of the human spirit, and a promise that the road never truly ends. Each vehicle carries with it the legacy of those who came before, the pioneers, the dreamers, the adventurers, and invites new generations to write their own stories. So when you see a Land Rover, know that you are witnessing a piece of history, a living legend that continues to inspire, challenge, and connect people across the world. The journey may change, the destination may shift, but the spirit remains the same. Land Rover is not just a car. It is an icon. It is an invitation to explore, And for those who accept it, the road will never end.